And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without AdSense. This can be done with no subscribers and on a brand new YouTube account. All that's coming right up in this video. Also, if you want to learn how to create passive income right here online, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be updated for any further videos, because I upload every single day multiple ways for you to make money. That being said, roll that intro. What's up, stackers? Paddy here, and welcome back to Stacking Profit. And today I'm going to show you how the real money is made on YouTube and how you can make money without having AdSense on your YouTube channel. Now, with this method, this can be done from day one. You know, if you open a YouTube channel, you can start this straight away because it doesn't rely on subscribers. Now, what I'm going to do is go through this quick and then go back over it and break it down step by step so you can get a better understanding. Now, I'm currently doing this with my YouTube channel, and there's plenty of other YouTube channels doing this. Now, this strategy is mainly focused around building an email list with free YouTube traffic. So, how do we do this? Now, as you can see, this is my channel, or this would be anybody's channel. Then you have all these different videos out on YouTube. The goal is to have as many as you can and upload consistently, because every video you have out there is just another way for someone to find your content, subscribe, and to sign up on your email list. So in every single video, you have a link in the description which goes to your squeeze page, your opt-in form. Then once someone puts in their email address, it goes straight to your thank you page and then straight to a sales page, which this is a product which you are an affiliate for. Then also, once they put in their email address, goes straight onto your email list and onto your email sequence. And then that first email, the one you get straight away when you sign up to an email list, goes right back to the sales page. And then they go through an autoresponder. Mine is actually a week long. In this, you provide value and you can sell products. And then once they've gone through my 7-day email sequence, they go onto my broadcast list, which then I email my subscribers, my email list, every single day. So that's an overview of how you can make money without AdSense and how the real money is actually made on YouTube. So let's just break this down a little bit more. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. Let's take that away. This is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have quite a lot of different videos. Now, each one of these videos, nearly every single one, is optimized to be ranked in YouTube search engine, because when you rank your videos for certain terms or search phrases, that's how people are going to find you when you're just starting out. So as you can see with this one, make money with memes, people are actually searching that, so I created a video around that. I've ranked it. Let that load up again. I don't know why that's done that. So I've ranked it for make money with memes. Now, to be fair, there's not a lot of search volume for this phrase, but either way, I've actually ranked it in the number 9th spot and number 10. So can you make money with memes? Mine should be there in the number 10 spot. Because every video that you do, you want to try and find a search phrase for that video which people are searching for, so people can find your content. Because then when people find your content, and if they like it, they'll subscribe to you, and they'll also go onto your email list, which I reference in every single video, like I probably did with this video. So you always want your link right up the top of the description, and as you can see it says my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Click here. So when people click this link, it then brings them to my squeeze page, my opt-in page, or whatever you want to call it. Then if someone likes what they see here, how to start earning $100 per day, anyone can do this. When they click there on the button, put in their email address, they are then on my email list. And on my email list is where they can get to know, like and trust me, and where I can provide value and build up a relationship with all these people on my email list, and in the process I can recommend opportunities or products that will help them out, and I'll make small commissions for doing this. So this is how the real money is made on YouTube. This is how you make money without AdSense on your YouTube, and this is how you build a sustainable business that can go on to make you money for years and years to come. So why am I telling you all of this? Well, this, like what I said, is what I'm currently doing. But what I want to do is document my journey on this channel. So once every month, I'm going to give you all the stats to how my channel is growing. I'm going to show you all the numbers, all the views, all the watch time. Then I'm going to be showing you how many people each month is signing up to my email list. And then I'm going to be showing you how much money I'm making from my email list. Now I will be making a dedicated playlist for all these videos for this little mini series. And if I've already started another episode, then click right up here in the right hand corner to carry on watching the playlist. If there's nothing there, then I haven't started it yet. Now I hope you found value in this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling me whether or not you liked this video. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.